Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Cheesy. Cheesy. I'm going to make this video as cheesy as possible. I hope you like that kind of thing. Cheesy has two uses in English. One is more literal, having to do with food and of course cheese. The other is figurative and informal and more often used. Meaning number one. Cheesy means containing lots of cheese and having the taste, smell, and consistency of cheese. And in regards to non-food items, resembling the consistency of cheese. For example, cheesy pizza or a cheesy pasta sauce. Meaning number two. Cheap, bad quality, in bad taste or lacking style. Blatantly inauthentic, not very good and unoriginal, but in a way that makes it funny, as in a cheesy movie or cheesy song. Cheesy is often used to describe a smile. A cheesy smile is one so exaggerated that it's silly, although probably inauthentic and insincere. The word cheesy, surprisingly, has been used this way since the 1800s, beginning with college student slang. In those days as well, an ignorant or stupid person might have been called a cheese. Examples of how to use cheesy in a sentence. My building plays the most cheesy elevator music you can imagine. There is a lot of nostalgia for 80s culture right now, and movies often reference the cheesy style of 80s movies, complete with the music. The movie is full of cheesy effects like talking lions and over-the-top scenes, but with surprisingly good acting. I'm tired of traveling and of endless cheesy hotel rooms. I think it's time to settle down. I know it sounds cheesy, but I think we're going to be together forever. I'm sorry, I just can't take him seriously with that big cheesy mustache.